Today we're checking out Whatmore Studio, a platform that helps marketers and e-commerce stores create ad-ready product videos at scale with AI. Need product ads, studio quality showcases, or UGC-style videos like yesterday? With Whatmore Studio's AI, you'll get multilingual voiceovers, captions, scripts, and UGC avatars in minutes. Let's jump into the most advanced workflow, the Image-to-Video Pro, which transforms images into realistic studio-quality showcases. Just add product URLs from Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, or import the images directly. Select images from your ad and choose from a library of royalty-free background music. In minutes, Whatmore will generate a brand spanking new product video. And feel free to edit or re-render it. Whatmore's AI engine is designed for peak creativity. These AI avatars let you create UGC-style product ads without paying for influencers. You got loads of lifelike avatars to work with, spanning multiple ages and ethnicities. To start, add your product URL, select the language, pick the product shots for the avatar, and add key selling points to the script template. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality avatar ready to sell your products online. And to wrap things up, let's check out the URL to video with AI voice workflow. This feature lets Whatmore create multiple scripts, like explainers, reviews, showcases, or deals, with stylized subtitles and natural-sounding AI voiceovers. Stunning product ads, showcases, and UGC-style videos are just one click away. Smash that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Whatmore Studio today. People like